This is my most favorite place on the property. I'm up on a little hill, or I call it Meditation Mountain. You can see the river through the trees there. Just giving you the view all around on this little hill area. Look at the roots on this tree. Oh my gosh. I'm going to twist it around here, so look at the roots on that tree. She's a beauty. There's a little the high spot right there. We're kind of in a little area here with a sweet little fire pit. We got a little fire pit here. Got a little bench. This is a really awesome place to sit and meditate. It's a great view. You can see through the trees here, the river's down there. You can see it slushy. You can hear it slushing. Can you hear it? It's a nice little, interesting little point here to sit and meditate. It's really very cool. And then we have the hammock. Here we go, around to see the hammock. Ah, relaxing. Very relaxing. And as we go to sit in the hammock, you will get the view that I have. This is the view from the hammock. See the beautiful blue sky? There we go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Time to take a little rest. Until next time, have a relaxing day.